Godspeed to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The glass so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop.
Dito guys, andito tayo ngayon sa kakatapos lang na mega dike. Isa to sa magandang natapos ng ating administrasyon dito po sa LGU na to. So ayan, and guys, may isang pamilya na nakatira sa ilalim ng tulay.
Summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay on forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running.
Galing ako dun sa kabila. Ito yung masarap sa probinsya guys, kasi parang napaka peaceful. Sobrang parang kakainin ka ng, syempre may konting city life. Kakainin ka ng kantahimikan. Ayan guys, may isang pamilya dun sa ilalim. Kawawa. Napansin ko lang guys na wala palang ilaw dito banda. Kahit sana nilagyan nila ng solar lights. Na lang sila ng solar lights para maliwanag po rito banda. Magkabilaan. Alis na ako.